This tractor has been standing still for decades. Once bright red, once powerful, now silent, rusted, forgotten. Every surface tells a story. Flaking paint, hardened grease, metal slowly returning to the earth. Before any tools touch the body, we take time to look, to listen, to understand what remains beneath the damage. This is not just cleaning. This is recovery. Soft brushes remove years of dust and soil. Each stroke reveals the original shape hiding underneath. Dirt lifts away slowly. Water flows across metal that hasn't felt clean in years. Rust stains run downward, carrying history with them. The seat comes off first. Bolts resist, then surrender. The platform beneath is rough, uneven, scarred by time, but still strong. The dashboard follows. Screws turn slowly. Old plastic creaks gently as it separates from steel. Each part is removed carefully. Nothing is rushed. Everything is respected. Wires are labeled. Controls are lifted free. The tractor begins to open up, revealing the truth of its condition. Rust is no longer hidden. It is mapped, marked, understood. Grinding begins softly, not aggressive, controlled. Each spark is brief, intentional. Under the corrosion, solid metal still exists. Hands move rhythmically. Sandpaper glides across curved surfaces. Rough textures slowly become smooth again. Rust converter darkens the scars, stopping time in its tracks. Damaged sections are removed cleanly. Fresh metal replaces what could not be saved. Welds are slow and precise. Heat, light, then silence. The surface becomes whole again. Small parts soak quietly nearby. Bolts regain their shine. Threads clean, edges sharp. Nothing is replaced unless necessary. Original parts deserve a second life. The engine waits. Oil drains slowly, dark and thick. Years of rest flowing out. The cylinder head lifts free. Carbon flakes away under gentle brushing. Valves are lapped patiently. Circular motion, perfect contact. New gaskets seal the past away. Torque is applied evenly. Clicks echo softly in the workshop. By hand, the engine turns again. Smooth, free, alive. Underneath, thick grease is scraped away. Layer by layer, the frame begins to breathe. Brushes and water cleanse the underside. Bare steel appears once more. Protective coating follows, a quiet promise of longevity. Now the body. Dents are coaxed back into shape, not forced, persuaded. Thin filler smooths imperfections. Block sanding restores clean lines. Hands glide across panels, confirming balance and symmetry. Dust is removed completely. Nothing remains but clean metal and intention. Primer settles evenly across the surface. Uniform, calm, ready. Wet sanding refines everything further. Water carries away the final flaws. Then comes color. Vintage red returns. First coat, then another. The machine remembers itself. Clear coat seals the transformation. Gloss deepens. Reflections sharpen. The machine rests. Paint cures. Silence fills the room. Polishing begins slowly. Dullness fades into mirror clarity. Light travels smoothly across curves that once were lost. Chrome shines again. Decals align perfectly. Every detail earns its place. Reassembly is methodical. Fenders return. Controls click back into position. The seat feels solid once more. Fresh fluids are added. Clean, measured, intentional. The battery connects. The circuit is complete. The key turns. A pause, then motion. The engine wakes gently. A steady rhythm replaces silence. Not loud, confident. Final detailing removes the last traces of work. Tires darken. Paint glows. edges are perfect. The tractor rolls forward under its own power, not rushed, not forced. What was abandoned is now complete. This is more than restoration. This is respect for craftsmanship, for patience, for machines built to last, from rust to renewal.